Like once we ordered the lift, the customer relation manager, the regional manager, they just guided us throughout the thing, and then they told us like how much time it will take, and then what all need to be done before the installation. So they were guiding us in every stage.
Yeah, and the core cutting, we were a bit scared because it's an old house. So previously the technicians came and they inspected and gave the report, and then it was easily done, like in 2-3 days it was over.
And then they said that it will take minimum 3 months because it has to come all the way from Chennai. So as promised to us, they got it delivered within 3 months.
Yeah.
And then the installation part and the delivery part, everything was
coordination, everything is
perfectly coordination
smooth.
was done. So as coordination was done, the lift delivery also was very smooth.
A few people came, engineers came before installation, and they told about the feasibility of this building, and everything went on smooth, and everything they guided us, and it was on time.
We are happy with the installation process.
This lift has uplifted our lifestyle.
Yeah.
We are very happy.